Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You're starting with the Galaxy Store because Samsung apps default there. Open Galaxy Store and tap the menu. Once done, go into Settings and switch Auto Update Apps to off so the store won't push updates. Make sure you remain signed into your Samsung account so settings stick. If a profile or device management exists, it can override this, so check Settings right arrow Accounts and Device Management. Doing this first prevents many automatic Samsung app updates before we change the rest. Next, you'll stop Google Play from auto-updating Samsung apps that it might manage. Open Play Store, tap your profile, then Settings right arrow Network Preferences, right arrow Auto-Update Apps, and select Don't Auto-Update Apps. You can also open any Apps Play page. Tap the three dots and uncheck Auto-Update to keep certain apps manual. Make sure to review background data permissions for store apps so they can't fetch updates over mobile. This reduces accidental updates and gives you manual control when you choose to update. Finish by preventing system-driven updates. Go to Settings right arrow Software Update and turn off auto download over Wi-Fi so firmware and bundled apps won't auto-install. If a stubborn app still updates, open its app info, uninstall updates, or disable the app, then restrict permissions or background data to stop automatic installs. If things go wrong, clear the Galaxy Store and Play Store caches, reboot, and recheck any enterprise or carrier device management profiles that might force updates. This usually resolves persistent update behavior.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.